This is problem 6 on the solving for an unknown worksheet in Mastering Physics Fundamentals. Solving for a frictional force exerted on a 10,000 Newton car traveling around a curve of radius 50 meters at a speed of 25 meters per second. Here's the equation. We have a frictional force here and a frictional force here. And we have to solve for the frictional force. It's one equation and one unknown, but the frictional force is on both sides of the equation. So let's start. Maybe we can get some partial credit here. Multiply this through. Just simplify it. So we take that, multiply it through, and we get this. Now we can put this back in for this first term. It's a little bit better. Now what we want to do is we want to put the two forces, these two constant forces, on one side of the equation and the two terms with frictional force on the other side of the equation. Collect the terms. So we can start by subtracting 10,000 newtons from both sides. That's one way to do it. That will get rid of the plus 10,000 newtons on this side. So we do that subtraction. 46,650 minus 10,000 is 36,650. So this leaves that. Now we can add this to both sides to get the frictional force on the same side, because that will get rid of it over here. And we have two terms with FR, and we can add those terms. So we now have this, and finally we divide by 3.864. And we get the frictional force. There it is, 9,500 newtons for the frictional force. That's problem 6.